بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اليوم سنواصل في كتابة السمري و we have another piece of passage that we are going to summarize it. Okay? طيب, now as we know about the steps of the summary, as mentioned in previous lesson, okay, here we are going to summarize this text or passage. Now read the following text carefully, look for the main ideas, and then in your own words, as far as possible, write a summary. Your answer should be a well-connected piece of writing. This means what? What you want to write يجب أن يكون قطعة نثرية مترابطة ومتصلة. Then this is the passage or the text. The main idea, I think, as you know, about the problems of big cities or large cities. And we know that large cities or big cities always suffer from many problems or many harms. Okay, so this passage is about living in big cities, and big cities has advantages and disadvantages, and the main disadvantage of living in big cities is that they are very crowded. Okay, they are very crowded, and very crowded, this is the main point. We have to underline it, okay, because this is, or it is a main point or important point. Okay, the streets, okay, and this is because it is very crowded, it is very busy, and all the streets, or some streets, are always full of cars. And also there are many traffic congestions, and this is the main point. And this traffic jam, okay, for the people, okay, make people take a long time, okay, to get to work or to school. Okay. So another disadvantage of living in cities, also yes, another serious disadvantage is that the great number of cars and factories cause air pollution, okay, which is very harmful to people's health. And we know that pollution always destroy people's and animals' health. Okay, now after that, the factory cause air pollution, which is very harmful to people's health. Okay, now after we determine the main points or the important points of this text, we are going to summarize or to see the main point of this, this passage. Type. In not more than 15 words, write about the disadvantages and A disadvantage of living in cities or in big cities. Okay, here are some similar meanings that you can use in your summary. Okay, instead of the word that mentioned in the passage. Okay, now the similar meanings here: crowded, we can yes, write congested or busy. This is the similar meaning, okay, of the word similar meaning, or the word crowded. And traffic congestion means traffic jam. اختناق المروري. Okay, and very means extremely. So we move to the main point. Okay, large cities are extremely congested or extremely busy or extremely crowded, but instead we use congested instead of crowded. Okay, the next main point is that there is also too much traffic jam. اللي هي الاختناق المروري due to the cars, okay, people in the streets or roads or in markets, so on. Above all, they are polluted from pollution, telos. Okay. Now, and then these main points must be put in a well-connected piece of writing. يعني نضعها في قطعة نثرية مترابطة ومتواصلة. Okay, now you can see how we can use these main points in writing summary. Okay, we have to leave a paragraph and then the capital large cities are extremely congested. Okay, full stop, and then we write the second main point there is also too much traffic jam. Full stop. The third main point is that above all, they are polluted. Full stop. Also, okay, this is in the final summary. If you count the word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, and this is, you have to write here 16 words. Okay, this is about this text or the passage about the problems of big cities or living in big cities face many problems, and there are many harms in yes, living in cities. Okay, now you can write this passage and also the final summary. But in the examination, this is a notice, please. This is a notice, students. Okay, in your examination sheets or paper, you are not going to write the similar meaning or to write the main points. No, you have to read this passage and to read this question, and then to write the final summary. Okay, without writing the similar meaning or main. I do this in order to help you understand, okay, the meaning, and also to pick out the main points. Okay, now you can write this passage and the summary. Please take out your exercise book, please.